Exactly.
Sa tingin nyo, kunyari, itong dalawang pairs, kayong dalawang couples, let's say you settle down with other people, no? Yung meron na kayong kanya-kanyang relationship at nag-asawa na kayo, pero friends pa rin kayo. Tingin nyo ganun pa rin? Yung sana maging understanding yung mga present ninyo, di ba?
Kanina, Romnick was saying that our relationship's really weird. Sasabihin mo bakit weird?
Sa tingin ko kasi kami may pinaka-weird na relationship eh.
Bakit?
I mean, we started weird, we ended up weird.
What's weird about it?
Kasi nag-umpisa kami na parang nagising na lang kami pareho, we love each other so much. Tapos, ganun nga ba yan?
Tapos yung sabi niya, can you think of any couple na nag-uusap ng ganito? You know, talking about things freely, kahit anong sabihin ko or anong sabihin niya, diba?
Yeah.
Sabi ko, wala siguro masyado.
So, up to now, you're very open with each other?
Yeah, before nga, nung nag-usap kami, nung maghihiwalay na kami, pag nagkaroon ka ng girlfriend, ako agad yung una mong sabihan.
Sinabi naman niya?
Sabi niya, pag ako rin ikaw rin sino man maging boyfriend mo, sabihin mo sa akin.
So you're open, napapag-usapan niyo ng walang pain, walang
Kasi pagka nilagyan mo ng pain, it's because of one thing. Merong hindi magandang pinagsamahan. Sa amin naman wala naman talaga.
Wala na maganda.
Wala naman talaga.
You're a little older, a little wiser, medyo alam niyo na yung talagang pinagkagalitan ninyo, yung mga problema. Sa tingin niyo kung magkakaroon pa ng chance, it will work this time around? If you tried again, it would work? Ding Dong and Rachel, let's say wala kayong ibang relationships. Being older at saka mas mature na.
Magkaiba kami na opinion dyan. Hindi na kami nagkasundo dyan.
Hindi. No, she's just saying that she's just, she's better now, a lot wiser now, she knows more. So ako, for me, anything's possible talaga, actually. Sa totoo lang, kung wala nga yung ganito situation.
Talaga iba nga opinion nyo, no?
Pwede.
Pero totoo yun, anything's
diba, anything's
possible.
diba?
Romnick and Beth.
Kanina we were talking about it. Now we still believe if it's us, then it's us. Kung hindi kami, hindi kami.
Ay, gano'n naman talaga. Chanda, do you think may chance pa kayo ni Bernie? Would you like
Love
another
pa naman
chance?
namin ang isa't isa para namang hindi kami naghiwalay eh.
Talaga?
It's the kind of thing
So, hindi
na
exclusive.
even if you're not physically and geographically together, I know that he'll always be there for me and vice versa.
Anyway, I wish we had more time for this segment. But before I go to commercial, I'm sorry, this is the longest segment. I hope we can just cue it in the... But I want to greet a very special person who's part of the Sharon family, our executive producer, Beck. A very happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Just a minute. Where is my for Beck? Beck, happy birthday! Ano kayo naglayasan? Happy birthday! May cake pa dyan. Yan po, mga kaibigan. Pahabol po dahil di po siya nakahabol sa buntis episode nung isang linggo. Kaya magbabalik po kami ni Chanda, Rachel, Ding Dong, Beth, and Romnick. Don't go away! Magbabalik ang Sharon. Paano na iba yung ex sa iba mong kaibigan? Yan ang mag-uusapan natin. Anyway, eto, I wanna ask you this. Kasi meron kayong history. You have a history with each other. So, hindi yun usual sa, let's say, sa friends lang na boy and girl na platonic to begin with, hanggang till kingdom come, talagang platonic lang sila. Pero, kayo may history before you became friends. Does it make things a little different?
I guess for regular friends na ganito, na hindi naman madalas magkita, maybe hindi ganun kalalim yung mga pinag-uusapan,
So,
Pero
wala kayong chance na mag-share ng mga problema ninyo?
Hindi, meron. Yun nga eh. I mean, if it weren't for the fact na we were together for 3 years, siguro hindi ganito kalalim yung mga conversations
Dahil
namin
bihira
ngayon.
kayo magkita.
Kasi bihira nga magkita. But in our case, like, he can really be open to me about, let's say, nung may girlfriend siya, yung girlfriend niya after me, talagang na-confide niya talaga sa akin lahat, when that relationship went bad.
Hindi naman lahat.
Hindi naman daw lahat.
Pero kunyari, hindi pa siya kisentel. Okay.
Pero kumbaga, parang, I felt good that,
he was open.
he was open to
with
me
you.
about it.
Pero kung meron, kunyaring present kayong relationship, okay, with someone else, that person wouldn't mind? Alam din nila? let's say, ang dami mong pwedeng
Ikaw
tawagan.
may present na rin.
Oh, tama, hindi ko na nga sinabi, binubuking mo pa eh.
Talagang sinungaling pa rin hanggang ngayon.
Kaya sila exes.
Ganun eh. No, hindi, dati it bothered him, pero ngayon hindi na. Okay na sa kanya.
Nakikita naman eh, no?
Mm.
Si Chanda naman, what do you miss the most kay Bernie? Kasi nagkaroon ka ng boyfriends na hindi naman half girl, half ano. I love ko yan si Bernie. Talagang very, sabihin na lang natin, effeminate. Wala that's putting it mildly.
Sense of humor, everything about him. Yung utak, yung...
Matalino si Bernie.
Oh.
Masarap kausap.
Yeah, a sense of humor. Actually, I tried to reach him last May because umuwi lahat ng brothers and sisters ko, nag-reunion kami from the States. I called him to join us kasi umuwi ako sa Cebu. I take Bernie with me sa bahay, he stays with us. Kaya lang pag nagbi-beach kami, ang gagwapo ng mga kapatid ko eh. 3 yun. Nako! Sabi niya, ang sarap talaga lunurin ni Chamba. Kahit niya akong lunurin na.
Okay lang sa'yo yun. Tanggap mo naman na
Hindi,
talagang...
wag lang akong lunurin.
Huwag lang lunurin. Basta buhay ka. Anyway, up next mga kaibigan ng mga ex na best of friends din ngayon, Martin Yavera and Jackie Blanco when Sharon returns. Siyempre, iba pa yung aming team song ng Pero We're Back with Martin and Jackie. My two favorite friends in love. At ang ex-theme song nila, natin. Ayan. How would you rate the relationship you guys had? How long was it for?
Off and on 2 years, no?
Almost
Almost 3.
Mga 2 years. On a scale from 1 to 10, on a scale of 1 to 10, 1 being puppy love, tas 10 yung ikakasal na, papunta na doon. Paano mo i-rate yung relationship mo? Between 1 and 10.
Ako 11.
At ngayon
Oh,
ka pa
really?
nagsasabi ng ganyan.
No, we're talking about the past, right?
The past.
No, it's true naman eh.
Past is past.
The
past is
yung
the
puppy love
past.
namin ni Jackie Lou was during the time na yung sa senior ball ko pa sa States, di ba? Bata pa kami.
Oo, when I was 14.
Yeah.
Pero nung magkita ulit kami, syempre I was already 19 or 20. So, hindi
Yun.
mo pwedeng tawaging puppy love yun. So, kumbaga, it was a more
Ang
serious
problema namin ni
relationship.
Jackie Lou, aside from all the other obvious things you read about, is the fact that we were talagang hidden ang love namin dahil bawal, dahil bago pang singer si Martin,
Yun
wala pang
nga.
I
pangalan.
mean, you know that
Marami.
because when we were shooting Friends
We were
in Love,
hiding,
we
di ba?
would be hiding in the room
Hindi,
typing.
hindi kayo magka-love team. Hindi.
No.
Tapos medyo hindi agad accepted ng public yung fans ninyo. Si Martin, nag-uumpisa pa lang nun. You're My
Yes.
Holiday pa yung kanta
Yun na
natin,
nga.
di ba? So, naging dahilan ba yon? Was it a factor in your breakup? Or you didn't let whatever the public's opinion, was?
You know, to this day, until this moment that you asked the question, I'm not really sure kung anong pinakadahilan kung bakit nag-break kami.
I don't
Kasi
think...
maraming factors eh.
I don't think yung the fact na hindi kami magka-love team, hindi naman yun ang dahilan na nag-split up kami.
Hindi ka naman nag-split dahil sa fans.
Oo,
di
pero
ba?
it would sometimes trigger yung little fight
Kasi
that
may
we
ibang
would
love team
have.
siya, ako may ibang love team.
Wala akong
Seloso
love team
to.
nun, ha?
Alam mo si Jackie understanding,
Marami
si
kang
Martin
love
seloso.
Hindi, siloso din to.
Hindi, pero mas dead ma siya.
Kasi
Ako selosa. Mas dead ma.
Kasi before, Jackie went through a lot. Marami tumatawag sa phone niya na minamura niya, yung ganon. Stay away from Martin. Remember those days that I used to remember all those times.
yeah.
Ay, hindi
Sorry,
ko... Plus,
sweetheart.
tinuro sa akin yun. No, sana natuto ako magmura sa telepono ng marami.
Hindi naman. No, plus I think that from the very beginning, I understood how important his career was to him. And I didn't want yung my selfishness or my being selosa to get in the way. So kahit na it would be painful for me or I would complain or I would see something I didn't like, sometimes I'd tell him, but sometimes ang feeling ko, I don't really have any choice but to accept this because I want to be in this relationship. Parang gano'n.
Oo.
Hinahanap ko yung
Wala
sarili
naman
kong
akong
image
choice,
at the
oo.
time eh.
So, you can say, it's safe to say na yung talagang career niya, ang naging major
Actually,
reason.
yeah.
Hindi naman siguro yun lang.
Maraming factors. But the nice thing about it is now we can talk about it. I can't believe we have an
Yes.
episode like this.
Exactly.
To be able to talk about it, it even gives Jackie and I a little bit more, but we're more enlightened as to what really happened in the past. And I'm
that's
so happy
true.
to see that of course the Davaos are so the Ricky and your kids have been blessed with such a great wife. I've never seen such a dedicated wife,
That's true.
mother who can still do well in her field, and that's Jackie.
How close are you now as friends? Was it immediately after the breakup naging magkaibigan kayo agad?
No.
Ah, merong ano.
Oh, yeah.
I don't think it's possible. I don't think it's possible na right after kayo magkahiwalay, chami-chami na kayo. Hindi.
That's true.
Kasi yung healing, yung pagkatanggal ng pain, it's a process.
How long did the healing take? In your case, Jackie?
O ba't ikaw hindi ka nasaktan?
saktan na saktan ka nun. After healing, tapos nagde-date na ulit si Martin ng ibang girls, tapos nagde-date ka na rin.
Nauna
ng-
naman siya sa akin, di
ng
ba?
Lagi naman eh. Nagde-date ka naman ng ibang boys. Boy kasi, iba sa babae. Kunyari you, Martin, and this is for you rin, Jack. Nung narinig niyong meron ng dinidate na iba yung ex-honey niyo, masakit ba yun?
I think it'll always be, because Jackie and I had really very strong relationship, strong love.
May bond
It
talaga.
it was more. I mean, in some relationships, there's more friendship than passion. With Jackie and I, there was more passion than
Yes,
friendship.
I
So
yeah, I
there really
understand.
was yung talagang hanggang ngayon, when I see that she's so happy in what she's doing, especially now, inggit ako kay Jackie ngayon because she's happily married and
Bale.
I'm not. So
No, but you had a great 11 years
of
being
course,
married
but that's
also,
a whole other episode.
Plus, you never
Whole
know
other
what the
episode.
future will hold.
Well,
Yes.
Miss Positive Thinking, but
Talagang
what I'm
lang
saying
kami,
is,
no?
because of that, because we didn't really have a friendship, a history of friendship where we had arguments and trials and tribulations. We never had that. Straight to the passion, straight to the hiding, straight to the wrong which we wanted to make right, straight to the because it's wrong you want to do it, di ba? Na ganun. We had so many problems in our relationship, but now looking at her now that she's happily married and all of that, wala na yun. I mean, of course, wala na. She's not dating anymore. So, but
No,
during that time,
happy
it was
na
hard
siya.
talaga. Then, wow, bakit siya? Mas gwapo naman ako dyan. Wag ganun.
Okay.
Jackie,
Yung
ikaw.
sa akin naman, when I heard that he was going out with his, your
When I was going out,
Yeah, when you were
period.
going out.
Thank you.
I mean, yung umpisa parang, syempre hurt ako, pero okay lang.
Ano pa
Pero
magagawa ko?
Yeah, but I remember that day that he got married, I was in Australia. And I was
How
looking-
did that feel? I
Yeah.
wanna know. When he got married
Yeah,
and when
I
you
was
got
looking
married.
at the clock. 2:45. 3 o'clock, alam ko sa akin siya. When the clock hit 3, it was like, I was hurt, but I said, okay, I have to go on because
Kasi
he's
3
not
yung
mine
kasal
anymore.
niya.
Yeah.
Oo.
I think it helped me in a way to go on because I knew I had no choice but to go on.
And you really faced it head on.
Yes, I
Hindi mo
had
tinakbuhan.
to. Oo, I had to.
Ikaw,
And I
Mart?
think I healed faster that way kasi alam ko, ay period na, hindi na ako pwedeng mag-hope, hindi na talaga pwede.
That's the only way. You
So,
cannot embrace the
kahit
future
masakit,
if you
oh.
keep on hugging the past. Martin,
had
did you
this-
hear me?
O sige, ikaw,
we've had this
Martin,
conversation
ikaw,
before.
anong na-feel mo nung kinasal
time
ako?
out. Oo, nung kinasal si Jack, happily married ka pa nun.
Yes.
Pero
Oo
kasi
naman.
paano
May
ba
anak
dahil
ka na
meron
nun,
kayong
diba?
history?
Yes.
May-
Well, for
may
as
ganun.
long as I can remember, most of my life I have always been happily married. Most of, if not all of my life.
Right.
But when I don't know if Ricky knows this, but the very first person, can I say this or no? The very first person she called to say she was getting married was me.
Because you were really best friends
And
after.
I don't know if Ricky knows. I hope he doesn't get upset by this information. But when she did tell me that, I was so happy for her because she seemed very happy with the news. It wasn't like bad news. Of course, it was the happiest day of her life that she's finally getting married.
Even
Diba, he
when-
surprised you, right?
Yes.
See, when I
even-
remember that.
Yes,
I
even-
remember that.
I know. You remember everything.
I
Mabuti
remember
ano,
that.
kasi minsan pag nag-asawa yung ex mo, pag nakita ka after nagpakasal ka, hindi ka pinapansin. Mahirap yun, ah.
No, not
Parang
Jackie.
At saka
nawawala
I
yung
remember when I was
What are we talking about here?
when I was
That's
pregnant
just,
with
in general.
when I was pregnant with my first child, he guested in my show before, and I just looked at him and then he said, "You're pregnant," ano? Sabi ko, yeah. I don't know how he knew. Basta he just
How did
said,
you know?
I don't know.
I have no idea.
Was it because
And
you're...
nobody even knew at the time.
I knew
He
she was
didn't come
pregnant.
out in the open yet. I don't know how.
Sobra
he
naman
knew.
yung band ninyo.
Hindi talaga.
May ESP na? Baka naman may kulam ng halo yan, Ma. Hindi naman. Anyway, sa aming pagbabalik mga kaibigan, chichikahin din po ako ni Martin and ako. Chichikahin din ako ni Martin at ni Jackie.
Surprise!
Tungkol sa
Surprise!
experience ko
Of
sa
course!
pagkakaroon ng ex bilang best friend.
Yes!
That's really a surprise, ha? Sa pag... not Zik or something. Sa pagbabalik po natin when Sharon returns.
Yes.